What's going on, ladies and gentlemen? Thank you so much for tuning in. It's me, Mikey Pipes. If you've been watching my channel for a while, you know for the last year and a half we've been installing the ACiQ, the Extreme Plus PAH with the HPD outdoor side discharge communicating system. And we've been installing the ACiQ TL04 thermostat. Kind of looks just like an Ecobee, doesn't it? Look, it's reflective too. I'm going to show you step by step how to configure the thermostat to your Wi-Fi network and connect it to the app. Are you ready? Let's go. Welcome. Nice startup screen. And unlike an Ecobee that's got to spread its wings, it goes right to the ambient temperature. We're going to hit the 4 dashes at the bottom. We're going to go to settings. We're going to go to wireless network. We're going to select our network. And then you're going to enter your Wi-Fi password. Once you've entered in the password, hit go. And unlike any other Wi-Fi connected device, it generally connects on the first attempt. Let's see if it holds true today. Connected. Look at that. It did not make me look like a liar. Let's hit continue. Now you're going to download the ACiQ Home app and log in. So you're going to have to create an account. In the ACiQ app, you're going to click on Add Device. You're going to go to Thermostat, and you're going to scan in the QR code. Binding authorization, we're going to agree and let it bind to the thermostat. We successfully connected. We're going to call this Live Demo. Beautiful. Now back on the TL04 thermostat, it acknowledges with a connected dialog menu. Hit finish. You'll be able to log in like we are now. Let's go to here. Let's go to mode. Let's go to cool for 70. Let's go to 72. Beautiful. And that's it, folks. Give that a moment for it to recognize the change of command. And ladies and gentlemen, if you're an HVAC contractor in the United States and you're tired of installing cheap builder's grade equipment, why settle for cheap builder's grade equipment when you can get this? The ACiQ Extreme Plus side discharge fully communicating heat pump inverter driven compressor that is whisper quiet, self cleans after every cycle, and gives a great bang for your buck. Go to aciq.com/Mikey Pipes for more details and to become a dealer for free. And remember, tell them I sent you. You'll get a special bonus in your first order, and I'll get an attaboy on my back. Are you ready? Let's go. Let me show you real quickly how the self-cleaning operation works. We're going to terminate a call for cooling. Thermostat is now off. The outdoor unit is going to shut down. And once that fan stops, it's going to operate in reverse. And that's because it has a DC-driven motor. All right, so the fan shut down. Watch this, ladies and gentlemen. This is awesome. There it goes, running in reverse. Wow. It runs at 120% of rated capacity to blow all the dirt out of the condensing coil. That is what you get with ACiQ. Always creating innovation and quality.